Ever feel like your banking is stuck in the Stone Age? You're juggling paper statements, rushing to branches before they close, and wishing there was an easier way to manage your money? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. In today's fast-paced world, having your finances at your fingertips isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And that's where online banking swoops in like a financial superhero. Think about it. Paying bills from your couch in your pajamas, checking your account balance at 3 a.m. because you suddenly can't sleep, transferring funds between accounts without stepping foot outside your door. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, if you're a BMO customer or thinking of becoming one, unlocking this convenience is simpler than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the world of BMO online banking and showing you exactly how to sign up. No more guessing, no more frustrating website searches. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently navigate the process and start enjoying the benefits of managing your money online. Whether you're a tech whiz or just getting comfortable with the digital world, we've got you covered. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch upon why BMO online banking is a game changer. Beyond the sheer convenience, it offers enhanced security features, real-time account updates, and a comprehensive overview of your financial health. You can set up personalized alerts, track your spending habits, and even access e-statements, reducing paper clutter and helping the environment, a win-win. So, are you ready to ditch the outdated ways of banking and embrace a more efficient and convenient approach? Let's get started. The first step, naturally, is to head over to the BMO website. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or something else, and in the address bar, type in www.bmo.com. Make sure you're on the official BMO website to protect your personal information. You should see a familiar BMO logo and a secure connection indicator, usually a padlock icon, in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the BMO homepage, look for a button or link that says something like Sign In, Log In, or Online Banking. It's usually located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Hover your mouse over it, and you should see a drop-down menu or further options. Within this menu, you'll likely find an option that specifically says Sign Up or Enroll. Click on this option. This will take you to the BMO Online Banking Enrollment page. Here, you'll be presented with different options depending on whether you already have a BMO debit or credit card. Since we're focusing on signing up for the first time, you'll likely want to choose the option that says something along the lines of Sign up with your BMO card and PIN or Enroll now. You'll then be prompted to enter some basic information to verify your identity. This typically includes your BMO debit or credit card number and your personal identification number, PIN. Make sure you have your card handy. Enter these details carefully and double-check for any typos. Remember, your PIN is confidential, so keep it secure and never share it with anyone. After entering your card number and PIN, you'll likely be asked to create a unique user ID. This will be your username for logging into BMO online banking in the future, so choose something that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. BMO will usually provide some guidelines for creating a strong user ID, such as a minimum length and the inclusion of both letters and numbers. Next up is creating a strong password. This is arguably one of the most crucial steps in ensuring the security of your online banking account. Choose a password that is complex and unique. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, date of birth, or common words. A good password typically includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. BMO will likely have specific password requirements, such as a minimum length and the types of characters allowed. Take your time to create a secure password and consider using a password manager to store it safely. Once you've created your user ID and password, you'll likely be asked to set up security questions and answers. These are an extra layer of protection for your account. If you ever forget your password or BMO detects suspicious activity, you'll be asked to answer these questions to verify your identity. Choose questions that you'll remember the answers to, but make sure the answers aren't easily discoverable by others. Be consistent with your capitalization and spelling when providing the answers. In some cases, BMO might also offer or require you to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step in addition to your password when you log in. This could involve receiving a one-time code via SMS to your registered mobile phone number or using an authenticator app. Setting up 2FA is highly recommended as it significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set this up if prompted. After you've completed these steps, you'll likely be asked to review and agree to the BMO online banking terms and conditions. Take some time to read through these carefully before ticking the box to indicate your agreement. Understanding the terms and conditions will help you know your rights and responsibilities as a BMO online banking user. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you might be asked to confirm your contact information, such as your email address and phone number. Ensure this information is accurate and up-to-date, as BMO may use it to send you important notifications or contact you if there's any suspicious activity on your account. Finally, you'll likely see a confirmation message indicating that your BMO online banking enrollment is successful. You might also receive an email confirmation. At this point, you should be able to log into your BMO online banking account using the user ID and password you just created. Congratulations! You've successfully signed up for BMO online banking. Now, take some time to explore the online banking portal. Familiarize yourself with the different features and functionalities. You'll likely find options to view your account balances, transaction history, pay bills, transfer funds, set up alerts, and much more. Signing up for BMO online banking is a straightforward process that opens up a world of convenience and control over your finances. By following these steps and keeping security best practices in mind, you can confidently manage your money online and enjoy the numerous benefits it offers. From paying bills with a few clicks to keeping a close eye on your account activity from anywhere, online banking truly puts you in the driver's seat. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.